The Western Hemisphere is home to just 4 coral atolls, ring-shaped coral islands with a lagoon at the center. Of these, 3 are located in Belize: Lighthouse Reef Atoll, Turneffe Atoll, and Glover's Reef Atoll. All of them are characterized by abundant coral and colorful fish life, as well as a range of diving conditions including shallow sites suitable for beginners, and wall and drift dives suited to more advanced divers. Lighthouse Reef Atoll is most famous as the location of the Great Blue Hole, and divers that sign up for a full-day trip to the sinkhole will likely be offered the chance to enjoy shallow dives on the atoll's reefs as well. Named after a 17th-century pirate, remote Glover's Reef Atoll boasts a large, shallow lagoon, and fabulously healthy corals. It's a great choice for those traveling with non-diving friends or family, because the snorkeling here is also excellent. Turneffe Atoll is the largest and most accessible of Belize's atolls. Its protected status has allowed the atoll's marine life to thrive, making this one of the best options for divers with a limited time frame.